Hello students, welcome to the SourceFort online learning session. SourceFort, one of the leading names, helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. And here is our science subject for the grade 1. We are going to discuss our first chapter, living things and non-living things. From this chapter, we are going to learn what are living things and non-living things, examples of living things and non-living things, natural and man-made things with examples. Here are some of the video YouTube links. You can go through the links and watch the videos. And here is the worksheet. You can find the attachment and complete it. And let's start the lesson, living things and non-living things. Where do we live? We live on Earth. On Earth, we see variety of things around us. Some are living things and the other are non-living things. Living things are those which have life in them, such as plants, animals, and human beings. The things we like ball, teddy, chair, cloud, and skateboard do not have life in them. They are non-living things. Living things grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. But the non-living things do not grow, move, or give birth to young ones. Let's see one by one regarding living things and non-living things. Living things need air, water, food, and sunlight to live. All living things breathe air, even the plants also, and drink water. Every living thing need water to live. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to be healthy. And eat food. Every living thing need food to grow. Food gives us energy to grow. Animals eat plants, flesh to survive. But the plants prepare their own food. But the non-living things do not need air, water, and food because they do not grow. Living things move on their own. Living things move on their own from one place to another place in search of food, shelter. Different living things move in different ways. Like man uses his legs to walk, frog uses its legs to jump, and birds uses its wings to fly. Fish uses its fins to swim. And even plants also have the movement. Like sunflower, we can see the sunflower turning towards the sun when uh, when it is towards the sunlight. But the non-living things such as books, tables cannot move. The books and tables need the help of the human being to move from one place to other place. And non-living things like bicycle and car need the help of a human being to ride them. And living things grow. And human being have the growth like this, from the small baby to a child and to an adult human being. Even animal also will grow from a small. Here is an example of kitten. The kitten grows into small cat and becomes the big cat. And even the plants also have growth. Here is the growth of the plant from seedling to a plant and to the tree. When we sow a seed, it grow into a seedling and then to the plant and then to the tree. But the non-living things do not grow. Animals, living things, give birth to young ones. Here is an example of animals, birds, plant and human beings. Let's see one by one. Human beings give birth to young baby, and the animals give birth to young animals. Birds give birth to, it will reproduce through laying eggs. Here is the example of hen. Hen lays eggs and a small chicken comes out from the egg and grow into hen. Plants reproduce through seeds. If we get seed from the fruit. If we sow the seed, it will grow into the seedling, then plant, and to the big plant. And the non-living things do not have young ones. And this is all about living things and non-living things. You can find the worksheet and complete it.